To turn on or turn off Google Audio Playback notification vibrate in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google services, and then scroll down screen, tap settings for Google apps, and then tap search assistant and voice, select notifications, and then tap notifications, and then you must turn on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down screen, find audio playback, and then tap audio playback. To turn on Google Audio Playback notification vibrate, tap vibrate switch until blue, or to turn off, tap switch until black or until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.